All right, I'm tired of everyone complaining about laws the government is making. Hey, guess what? It don't matter what laws they write because we can nullify the laws. We can't blame government because we're ignorant. We don't know what our forefathers put in place. But this organization here, Fully Informed Jury Association, FIJA, they're on the website. You can look it up. They distribute this manual. What they teach people is jury nullification. Jury nullification is very significant. Let me read from you here. Government teachers won't teach you this in school, but a jury has more authority than Congress, the president, or even the Supreme Court. Judges say the law is for them to decide. That's not true. When you are the jury, you have the right to decide both the law and the fact. American jurists have a proud tradition of saying no and not guilty when a bad or corrupt law are used against the people. You can protect yourself and friends and family by refusing to enforce bad laws, our system of checks and balances. You, the juror, are the final judge of the law and justice. We weren't supposed to be judged by judges, number one, because if you're not judged by a jury, that's called a violation of due process. So we're not getting that. So we don't elect masters called judges to judge us. That doesn't work. We elect public servants to write statutes to create this little protection. But if we feel the law is wrong, as a jury, you can nullify the law and just say not guilty if you feel in your heart the law is wrong. That's how important it is, people. Even the grand jury system is the same way. If you're sitting as a grand jurist or grand jury foreman, do you know you can fire your own government attorney? Do you know you can use common sense and investigate government offices? Right in the New York State Constitution, it says that the grand jury investigates public offices. But you notice it doesn't happen because the government took control of our grand juries. And when you go in there, you think you're a puppet of the government. No, you have a right to do what you want to do. And if they tell you no, call us immediately and get hold of us because they're violating the law of the land and the Declaration of Independence, the Constitution, and the Bill of Rights. Antonin Scalia said in 1992, a case called U.S. versus Williams, he says, being the grand jury is only mentioned in the Bill of Rights. It's solely in the hands of the people, serving as a buffer between the people and the government. I did research and study and found in 1930 in downstate New York, the grand jury fired their own government attorney, hired one they trusted, and then proceeded to prosecute judges, police chiefs, and the mob boss. There's a lot more to it, people. Look into it. Reach out to me. I'll get you the information. My cell phone number is 716-998-2572 if you want to shoot me a text. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.